Hi everyone, welcome to my very first DIY makeover. And today I'm gonna show you my bathroom that I'm gonna be working on, and I'm gonna share with you guys the materials that I'm gonna use from different kind of stores and accessories and stuff. And then let's see it. So here's the material that I'm gonna be using for my bathroom. I have this one to spray my shower glass door, and some accessories for my bathroom. This one is for my bathroom cabinet, and then people in the store says that I can use this one without sanding down the cabinet, so see if it works. And then after using that, I'm gonna paint my cabinet a Swiss coffee color, like for 2 coats or something. Depends how the color will turns out. This is gonna be my top coat finish to protect the paint or to protect the wood in the bathroom. So here's the existing bathroom right now, and as you can see, all the walls are yellow, and I have a shower glass door, and I'll be painting all of these accessories in the walls for one day, and hopefully I can finish it. I have here a painter's tray, a brush and rollers, and I have a step stool, and I also have a painter's tape. It's gonna be useful like for painting, especially spraying all the accessories in the shower glass door. And let's see it. So right now I am doing my first coat on my walls, and I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats for sure, because white is pretty much obvious if you miss some spots here and there, and do some a little touch up. And I'm gonna share you guys my style of painting. After doing all the walls, I turn off the light and I can really see if I miss some spots in the corners here and there, and you might want to try it. It might work for you. So I finished painting the walls 2 coats already, and it looks really good. And cover some touch up. I already removed all the bathroom accessories, and I'm gonna start painting them. And while waiting to dry, I'm gonna do my cabinets next. I'm gonna start to paint all my bathroom accessories, the towel bars, towel holders and everything, toilet paper, and then I have my sheet here so I can just like spray them. And then after the painting, I'm gonna install these, and I'm gonna use this brand to spray them and see how it goes. So after I spray my bathroom accessories, I went inside to the bathroom and wrapped plastic around the sliding glass door and start spraying them for my first coat and wait to dry. And then while waiting for everything, I'm gonna start doing my bathroom cabinet, and I'm gonna use the paint that I have that I got from Lowe's. So since I'm doing this bathroom project for a day, I asked the people at the paint section for the other way to paint them without sanding it down, because it takes time for me and I want to give it a try. And they suggested this phosphor bonding paint primer sealer. I don't know what it really called, but here's the product that they suggest, and they say it's gonna work, so I'm gonna give it a try. So I finished the painting for the cabinet. I got 1 coat for the primer and 2 coats for the finish paint. And I'm gonna remove all those handles because it's not really matching on the black and white concept. Hi. I am back. I finished to paint the cabinet. It's 2 coats. It was like chrome handles and it doesn't look really like good, so I decided to paint them to black. It's outside right now, so I already installed these last night, and then that, and then I hang these. It matches the black and white, and then a little bit of wood, and then I got these new hooks I'm gonna add a shower curtain. I painted the sliding doors last night, but I just kind of like realized there's another one behind, so I'm gonna do that later. And for now it's okay because it's gonna be behind the curtains, so that's fine for now. And then painted these. It comes out really good actually, but some parts is kind of like bubbly. I don't know why, but I didn't do some good research. I painted the baseboard white, the door framing. I just don't know what to do to the baseboard. I'll think about it some other time. Then I'm gonna change these accents later. And then look at that. Look at that shade. It's really pretty. It really matches the black and white right now. It come out really good. And then it's like final touch up. I'm gonna change the rug. Then I'm so excited. It is finally done and I'm excited to share it with you guys. And here is the before photo. And there you go. Thank you for watching my very first makeover video and hope you guys like it. Thank you and see you next time. Bye!